what's up, guys? So I had a very good day today, but it's kind of an unusual day because it's a mix of mostly a swing position I took and a small day trade position I took. And the reason for this is it's going to be a pretty hectic 2 weeks at work, so wasn't really able to do a lot of trading, but let's go over a few things. So PTON, I took it on the short side. Took it on the short side here, thinking it would break out. It did, and as it popped, I added to it. I thought about adding to this, but I just waited to see if it would still go up. And the reason why I felt very comfortable doing this is, you know, the stock went up 30%, kind of irrational. They're laying off people, replacing the CEO, whatnot, but it popped 30%, like $7 when the ATR for this is like 250 or 280 or something like that. So at some point it was like up 30% or 33%, $9 or so. It's some ridiculous amount. So and then on the drop I just covered it, and the reason I covered it was because I had a super good day on my swing position. So I didn't really want to hold this, and plus I was in still am actually an all-day meeting. So that was my PTON trade, but what I really want to talk about here is my Snap trade. So Snap, as folks may know, had a pretty wild time last week. Went up 60%. Actually, it dropped quite a bit first because of the whole like bullcrap metaverse shit. You know, Facebook is a piece of crap company. So it rightly failed, and then this one, sympathy play, it dropped along with it, and then it popped on good projections or good results. First time ever making a profit, probably off some stupid millennial kids buying their stupid crap. But Snap is also a bullshit company, and so as it popped up, I actually took it on the short side because it was way up. And I traded this as a swing. I took it on the short side, hoping it would come back down, or anticipating it would come back down, because there's really no leg to this. It's just some bullshit like, okay, they finally made money after wasting investor dollars for such a long time. But anyway, so I shorted it. It dropped a bit, but not to the level that I had anticipated or wanted. I kind of wanted it to start to come back down and try to attempt a gap fill. I don't know if that will be the case. You know, it's probably not the case today. Maybe tomorrow it keep on slowly trickling back down. I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely won't gap up, or the probability of it gapping up won't be high. So I took it on a short side. Yesterday I got out some, and I didn't have time to make a video on it. I took out a partial. And then today is really when I partialed out quite aggressively, and actually most of the action happened on the pre-market. So if I were to zoom in on the 1 minute chart, I actually set a limit. So my average price for it is like about $38 or something like that. So it dropped some at $37.50. So I took out a partial here, took out another partial, and basically a partial all the way down. I kind of missed this run here in the pre-market. But then when the market opened, I also, and this one is, I think there's some issues with between DAS and Interactive Broker, so I didn't really record it. Is on the way down. This is coming back down. If you look at the daily level, it's sitting on a level here, and this is you know, a previous day level, and so it's usually a strong level of support. Same with the moving averages coming up. And so from that perspective, what I did was I took it on the long side, and on the pop, and this is where it disappeared, is right when it started to consolidate here. This is, I think I got out at 381 or something like that, or 3581. So that's where I exit. So that's part of my day trade along with PTON, and that's pretty much it. And so yeah, those are my trade. I had a really good swing position that I closed today on Snap. And then I took a day trade on the slight reversal of Snap coming back up, and then the PTON trade. So that's about it. Hope you guys did well, and take care and peace out.